Alright, chiri chara chara, we are back again with building our Infix Edu School Management System Android app here on the virus system channel. So now we are going to learn how to set up our app URL to be able to communicate with our web version of the school management system. So what we need to do is that we need to dig down to Java. Then from Java we come to com. Then from com we come to my config. Then we open my config file. Now here is where you replace your URL. Now your URL is here, so we're going to replace it with our URL. So I'll open my URL and copy my URL here. Then go back to my Android app and then select the whole of this URL. But remember to keep the quotes around it. If not, you will get an error. So remember the quotes must be around it. And then we are done setting up our Android app URL to communicate with our web version 2 as well. So this is how we do it here on the virus system. Chiri chara chara. So stay tuned with me on my channel and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notification from me at any time there's a new release of video. And do visit my blog, Da-viruz.com, as I always say, for educational purpose, not for commercial use. For commercial use, buy it at Code Kanyo. Get a purchase code for the application and you're using it genuinely. If you don't want your domain to be hacked by developers, stay away from using what? This script without purchase code. So stay tuned for our next tutorial based on how to replace the Android app icon, the slash cream, and so forth and so on. How are we going to what? Do all these things. And this thing is going to take us a whole lot of time because I'll be taking you to Photoshop so that we'll learn how to create our own icons and replace it with what? The original ones that comes with the app. So that when you build the app, you have your own icon displayed on the phone with what? Your app name beneath it, and then people can use it. So stay tuned with the virus system on this channel. Chiri chara chara.